Why is stealer? Because when he wants to eat sometimes, he steal the fish from the boss and fly. But he eat also the small mammals, small chicken and reptiles. يعني كمان بياكل ثدييات صغيرة، دجاج صغير والزواحف الصغيرة. بس ليش بيسموه نسر بحري سارق؟ لأنه أحيانا بيسرقوا السمك من الصياد يوم الناس بتصيد وبيهرب. Around the world, Korea, Russia, Taiwan, China, but in the summer they visit Japan. يعني بنلاقيه بتايوان، بالصين، بكوريا وبروسيا، وبالصيف بيزوروا اليابان، بحر اليابان. Andre the Giant is the only one here, 7 years old, 5-6 kilograms weight. الوحيد موجود بدبي، 7 سنوات، وزنه من 5 ل 6 كيلو. Only the others can hold, فقط الكبار بيحملوا. Did you glove? Andre will jump on your hand. Look at that. Keep your hand straight. We'll take a picture, print it, and give it to you. He's so friendly, so photogenic. The only one in Dubai, the largest stealer sea eagle. Andre the Giant. Thank you so much. Thank you, awesome trainer Rooney. Now, friends, for the photos, one with the are here. Let's say hello, Hiba. Hello, Adele. Blue and yellow, الأزرق والأصفر، المكاو الأزرق والأصفر. The third largest Macau around the world, ثالث أكبر مكاو بالعالم. Friends, reminding you, video, photo, it's okay, but Macau have a strong curved black feet. Welcome, raise the flag of your feet. Up, 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 ارفع, ارفع, ارفع. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Joseph. Marlin, Pink Australia, Odin, Admiral, South America, Ronnie, African Green Parrots, Cameroon, Angola, Uganda, Pink Galacacatu, Australia, Blue Yellow Macau, South America. Hands up, everybody, come on. Ha, ha, ha. Love, 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 love. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you, Odin, with our lovely birds. Actually, also Marlin have big surprise because the bird with us will mouse, banana, and mango. Triangle green, أخضر, avocado. Red strawberry, faraula, أحمر. And the last one is blue, blueberry. Kids, always clean your mess like this. Mommy and Daddy and your teacher will be proud of you. You know what? Like the paper. When we clean our mess and put the paper in the garbage like this, we can recycle, we can reuse. It's very important. We can keep the planet clean. After we finish cleaning, what we should do? We should close the dustbin like this.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm fine, thank you.
Good afternoon. Big boy, what's your name?
What is your name? Coco.
Nice name, Coco. We are in Dubai. What is the first words we have to say to the people in Arabic?
Alright, Coco. Say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Wa alaikum assalam wal ikram. What do you want to ask all the friends in the arena?
Coco, everybody, how are you?
We doing good. What about the morning?
How about in the morning?
Good morning, Coco. Can you tell us who's your best friend? Cat, who's the one steal your food and run away every day? Dog, Coco, if you see Burj Khalifa, what you will say? Coco, imagine all the kids' birthdays today. What you will wish them? Thank you so much. And now you will go home. What you will say to all the friends in the arena? Let's say bye-bye, Coco, the African Grey Parrot. Bye-bye, Marlin, the awesome trainer. Thank you, Malita. Parrot, South America. Mariam, first one is tiger. Giraffe, is that right? Sah. Second one, DJ Sam. Crocodile, Timsah. This is a crocodile. What is this? Right. Yes. Woohoo! Thank you, the Amazon Green Parrot from South America. Thank you, Mariam, the magician. Scarlet macaw, by the way. The second one, green wing macaw. The wings green, but the body red. The feather and the body red. Salamat. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Ronald, all the time. Shukran.
Bud, lagi ba ko gamay ka na nga?
40 species of the toucans you have to know. 40 نوع من التوكانز. This one, the tuco, the largest size. أكبر حجم. I will show you how to feed Rio, then after me one gentleman will try. So gentlemen, you have to listen and look carefully. Because your hand should be straight. Do not move your hand. Rio will eat 2 pieces. Close your palm. Rio will fly back to trainer Marlin like this. So I think somebody behind me sitting doing nothing. Come help me. So, raise your hand straight, brother. Like this. Bam, like a cup. And don't eat the bird's food. I'm watching you, please. The toucans cannot fly more than 50 meters. I mean between the trees only. Because they have a short wings. Now close your palm after you finish. يعني ما بيطيروا غير بين الأشجار لأن أجنحتهم قصيرة. Small size of mouth girl, big size of mouth boy. حجم الفم صغير أنثى، حجم الفم كبير ذكر. شكرا. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Marlin. Falcons, there is 40 species of them. 40 نوع من falcons. This one is Harris hawk. One of the best hunters all the time from South America. They eat the small mammals, small chicken, and the raptors. When you want to hold the birds, the raptors, you have to wear a clothes like the trainer's hands. Remember that. And also when they have a baby, sometimes the father tries to kill the baby. The mother always saves them, so the big size, the female, the mother. Thank you, awesome trainers, Norman, Ronnie, thank you, Eugene, and Yasina. Parrots are smart cricket. Elasticus parrot with orange beak, South America. Amazon green neck parrot from South America, also with awesome trainer, Odin. Let's play. DJ Sam, who will win? Odin? Why is there Odin? You change, huh? Maria, save it in your mind. Odin win the first point. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Odin. Look at Amazon Marlin. Amazon Nay Parrot. Mariam, play. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1-1, DJ. DJ Sam, by the way, if you lose this game now, who want to be with my team? Only 3? You don't want pizza? Yalla, let's go. DJ Sam, don't forget Atfal. You will tell me what the painting look like, alright? So let's welcome now John Picasso, the artist with also trainer Ronald Kiwasa. John Picasso is a white silver breast cockatoo أبيض, famous in many countries, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia. Eat many kinds of fruits, بياكل فواكه, like watermelon, berries, توت, البطيخ, seeds, nuts. Living in groups and 16 living species of them with 4 colors, white or black or gray or pink. The white cockatoo, if the color of the eye is black, boy, like him. Color of the eye is red, girl. They can live after 60 to 100 years of age. بيعيشوا من 60 ل 100 عام. The black pine cockatoo, that one can live more than 100 years with the same partner. DJ Sam, you can live with your wife, with your partner, more than 100 years. Yes? Parrots, the medium size of parrots, and the first parrot in India can talk and say some words. Here we go. حجم المتوسط من البارودز. أول بارود بالهند قدر يحكي كلمات. 30 different colors. This one, the light green, is the famous one. 30 لون مختلف. هذا الأخضر الفاتح أشهر لون. On the neck, if there is a red ring, he's a boy. If no ring, she's a girl. على الرقبة في حلقة حمراء أنثى، ما في حلقة حمراء ذكر. Thank you. The family of parrots from India, and now the cousin of them. R2. Kids, R2 here to say something for you. Always when you can, save your money in a life like this. You can help yourself in the future, you can help mommy and daddy. Saving money is very important in our life, kids. كثير مهم نجمع فلوس بحياتنا يا أطفال. One more, and thank you R2, thank you also Mariam all the time. Let's do it. Go, come on, push. It's a lot. Where is he going, DJ? I will tell you. المحطة القادمة هي. Next station is Dubai Mall. Now we will challenge the bird with the neighbors with numbers. If your numbers here, just answer yes or no. No. رقمها مش موجود أول صفحة. Yes. Okay. No. What? 2 yeses, 2 no. Trainer Marlin and DJ Sam, let me tell you something. It should be 3 yeses, 1 no. So I think she's playing with us. DJ, what do you think? 2 yeses, 2 no. Single digit? Which number? 2? It's 2 digit numbers. It's number 16. Let me ask the bird. Anus. I told you, mate. 2 digits. 2 digits. Not 6. What is this? 10. 0. 10. Is this your number? Show everybody there. Oh my God. The blue yellow macaw know the number. Thank you, lady. Thank you. Thank you. Can I ask them? How many of you want to know how the bird know the number? Show me your hands up in the air. You want to know how? Ask the bird. No, where's the ball? Anus, Mr. Yunus finished. Where's the ball? He found it. He's a magician performing by the super duper magician Marlon in Creek Park, West Dubai. Thank you, Marlita. Thank you.